Hi friends, Orko once again. So today I'm in a different mode and you can see that my video is coming in a different way. It's not a direct face to camera movement, but yes, you have guessed right. The video is being recorded via Steelbird Air Helmet's visor. This visor is known as the Night Vision Visor. So why I am here today? Because today I will unbox this helmet, which is Steelbird Air R2K Night Vision helmet. So let's unbox the helmet and see what's inside. This helmet is ordered from Amazon and it costed me around 2600 rupees. So you can get this helmet in Amazon. The link will be given in the description. So there inside the box of Amazon, you see the box of Steelbird Air logo is there on the box, and there are few informations along with the image of the helmet on the side wall of the box, and then the information regarding the manufacturer and some features of the helmet. Now it's time to look inside the box, how the helmet is placed, is there any cover or anything else. Let's check out. Wow, it's a lovely piece of work from Steelbird. This is SBA1 model and the visor is Night Vision Visor. ISI mark is there behind the helmet along with the logo of Steelbird Air. Yes, you can see the visor, and here it's air vent and it can be switched on and switched off for let the air pass on through your head. Beautiful, lovely looking helmet, lovely. Yes, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 adjustable steps to open the visor. Now let's look inside how the padding is. Just look inside the padding. Oh my god, it's awesome. The quality is world class, just world class. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for other videos.